Today let's talk about oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber. This is rubber and there is metal. Look, there is rubber too, and the size is internal diameter there is 100 and external diameter there is 125, and it has OEM number. The OEM number is 1005060 and 35D. Look, there has with a spring. This oil seal has with a spring. It is a shift oil seal and applicable to heavy truck. It has many following features. The first one is with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pro water and ticking spring. Yes, there is spring, ticking spring and ticking skeleton. Applicable to mechanical engineering and heavy truck, and we can provide customers the service. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries, and I can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.